Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of my very favorite side dishes from Indonesia called oseng-oseng buncis tempe. It's a stir-fry green bean with tempe. It's a very easy recipe and absolutely yummy. And often it's served in the nasi campur as a side dish. So let's get started. So here all the ingredients I'm going to use later. Here I have tempe, sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt, mushroom boyong powder, vegetable oil, green bean, shallot, garlic, and chilies. So first, let's heat it up the oil. I'm going to deep fry the tempe. Before that, let's cut the tempe into small pieces. So the oil is hot enough, let's add the tempe. I cook the tempe until it's cooked through but not too crispy. So while we're waiting the tempe, I'm going to prepare the shallot, garlic, and chilies, which is I'm going to slice them all. Let's put it aside. For the chilies, I'm going to slice it diagonal, quite into big chunk. Let's put it aside. Now the tempeh is ready. Let's dry it. This is perfect. I'll dry it on the paper towel. Let's cool it down a little bit. So now I'm going to cut the green bean into diagonal. First, we cut the end of the bean like this. Then slice it diagonal. So here we are. Now all is prepared, so let's cook them. Turn on the cooker. I add here vegetable oil. The oil is hot enough, add the shallot. Cook the salad until it's soft. Add the garlic. Cook until the garlic is soft. And now add the chilies. Cook for 10 seconds. And add the green beans. Mix well. I'm going to cover it for 2 to 5 minutes until the green bean is halfway cooked. So don't let it burn, you need to stir it occasionally. So it's been 5 minutes and also the green bean is halfway cooked. Now let's add the tempeh, the one we fried earlier, along with the sweet soy sauce or kecap manis, oyster sauce, salt and mushroom boyong powder. Mix well. Smells so good. So the oseng-oseng buncis tempeh is ready. So let's plate it. So here we are, oseng-oseng buncis tempeh. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also write my email in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking, bye bye.